this,
and
this. Let me explain that to you. What's up beautiful people, this is Simmer. Welcome to my YouTube channel World From a Lens. Today's video is going to be a little different. I have started a series where I will be reviewing the products that I personally use in my day-to-day life, share my experience with you guys and help you guys make a decision if you guys want to invest on that product or no. So let's get started.
so guys, the product that I'm going to review for you guys today is glaze from Eyewearlabs.com. It says Ritter, and let me just open this box for you. Okay, 2 pouches. It was bubble wrapped in this. Let's keep the box aside as of now. It looks quite premium. The stitch and finish is quite good. No other badging on the pouch apart from this. Let me get the camera focused. Okay. Pretty decent packing. Okay, so this is the blue shade that I ordered for myself, and let's open the other one. It comes with the similar packing, plastic wrapped. Another plastic to protect the lenses, and this one is the orange shade. Let me now tell you where exactly I got these glares from. I got it from the Eyewearlabs website. They were running an offer wherein if you buy 2 of these, you will get 73% off on the second one, and I thought of giving it a shot, and that's when I ordered it. The main reason I bought it is because it is 100% UV protection. If you can see that, yep, and it is polarized. I would like to rate these glares on 3 parameters. That would be quality, comfort and style. Talking about styling, both of these glares are wayfarers. That's what I like, and I believe it's quite stylish. I like the vibrant orange color, the metal body, the kind of carbon fiber touch over here, a stylish little touch over here with these 2 cuts. Talking about the second glare, it doesn't have that metal finish and it doesn't have that carbon fiber touch over here or any cut. For styling, it's quite basic, it's glossy. I totally like it, and both of these glares suits me well because I've got a long oval face. So yeah, that's all about the styling of these glares. Moving on to the comfort of these glares, it's quite comfortable. This one being the all plastic frame, it's quite light. It sits well on my nose over here. The rest is good, and even over here it rests well on my ears. Yep, so it's quite stylish and it's quite comfortable to wear. Although this one is all metal frame, it's still not heavy, and it's quite comfortable. Talking about these ear rests, rubber finish, it's quite comfortable, and even the nose pads are quite comfortable. If you can see this, it's rubbery, little soft. It's quite comfortable over here as well, and it's quite light. So for styling, I would like to rate these glares as 9 out of 10, and when it comes to comfort, I would like to rate these glares as 9 out of 10 again. And let's move on to the quality of these glares now. So let's start with this vibrant orange sunglass. If you see this rubber on the temple tip is quite loose. The entire temple is quite sturdy, but when it comes to this temple tip, it's quite loose, and that's the drawback for this sunglass. The lenses, I'm not sure whether they will get easily scratched or no. I'll have to use it, and only then I will be able to share my thoughts on that. Moving on to the second drawback of this sunglass is again the temples. Let me give you an example. When I try to fold this temple, it folds quite easily and quite smoothly, but when I try to fold this one, it doesn't goes that smooth and it gets stuck midway. I believe that is because the hinges that's been used for these sunglasses are not of that good quality, or I'm not sure whether it is with only this piece or with all the pieces. Let me check the other one. So talking about the other one, this doesn't have any spring loaded hinges. This one is a basic screw hinge, and that's how the temples fold. It's a plastic frame, plastic rims. These are fiber, like I said. Yes, this is definitely fiber. Quite comfortable, quite stylish. Now this is a very minute, but I think I should share this. If you see this carefully, let me get it focused. There is a tiny gap over here between the temple and the frame, but on the other temple or on the other side, I don't see that gap. The fit over here is well finished as compared to this. So if you see this portion, it's not that well finished. Apart from that, I don't think so there is any issue with this sunglass as well. Everything seems to be okay, and most importantly, I'm satisfied with the kind of price that I've paid. Let me check if this is balanced properly. If I press this, it doesn't move, so it is balanced properly. Otherwise, generally what happens is the temples are not in proper form. The frame is bent, and it's like this or like this, and that's when it doesn't sit properly on your ears. So yeah, when it comes to quality, I believe I would rate these glares anywhere between 6.5 to 7.5. Not the best that you can buy, but definitely you can try one of these. I believe it's quite reasonable, and it's quite affordable at this price point. Yes, now a lot of you people will definitely also suggest that Fast Track is better than this. Titan make better sunglasses than Eyewearlabs. I totally agree with you guys, but the whole point of me buying these glares was the price point, because I was getting a good deal and I wanted to try some different brand, because I've already have been trying Fast Track and Ray-Bans in the past. So I'll keep you guys posted about my experiences and how these goggles or these sunglasses last me in the future. I will try to make another video, and if not, I will definitely share my experiences in any of my other vlog about these sunglasses. Once again, to end up the video, I believe styling is good, 9 out of 10, and comfort is good, 9 out of 10 again. But see this is a bit annoying. This temple tip and this temple, this rubber finish is not good, though it's comfortable when you wear it, but not that great. This is a major drawback. So when it comes to quality, I believe it would be anywhere between 6.5 to 7 out of 10, and that is purely my thought or my take on these sunglasses. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. I'm sure a lot of you people will be having a lot of questions about these sunglasses. You can definitely ask me all your questions in the comment box below, and I will definitely try to answer all the questions. So as of now, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for your support.